Hello friends, in my previous video, I had explained question number 1 to 5. Now in this video, I will explain question number 6, 7 and 8. If you click the I button, then you will get all the videos of the chapter number 1. Okay, now let us start. Question number 6. Differentiate the following with respect to x. हा question आपण बघणार आहोत. Let y is equals to tan inverse of log of x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Then we get dy by dx is equals to ddx of tan inverse of log x. Now what is the derivative of tan inverse of log x? Now it is of the type ddx of tan inverse of f of x is equals to 1 upon 1 plus f of x bracket square into derivative of this f of x. Means what? F dash of x upon 1 plus f of x bracket square. Similar here, that is a 1 upon 1 plus log of x bracket square into ddx of log of x. Then what is the derivative of log of x? We know the derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, and hence the dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x in bracket 1 plus log of x bracket square. Okay, now this is the answer. Next problem, y is equals to cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get, therefore dy by dx is equals to ddx of cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. Okay. Now again the ddx of cosec inverse of f of x is equals to minus f dash of x upon f of x in root of f of x bracket square minus 1, where mod of f of x must be greater than 1. Okay, otherwise it will be the complex quantity. Now see this here, minus 1 upon e raised to minus x means what? This is the f of x in root of e raised to minus x bracket square minus 1 into ddx of e raised to minus x. Okay, derivative of f dash of x means what? Derivative of e raised to minus x. Then you will get here minus 1 e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x bracket square means what? E raised to minus 2x minus 1. And derivative of e raised to minus x. See this here. It's a sign. E raised to minus x is a minus x into the coefficient of this x, which is the minus 1. Okay. Now this e raised to minus x will get cancelled. You will get minus 1 into this minus 1. And that will be again plus 1. Again the next simplification. ही power आपण 1 upon e raised to 2x positive करू शकतो. आणि ते simplification करताना you can simplify. It is like this. That is 1 upon हा e raised to 2x या 1 ला multiply करेल. It will multiply with that 1. Therefore 1 minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x. Okay. Now the square root. Then here you will get in root of 1 minus e raised to 2x upon the square root of e raised to 2x. It is a e raised to x, and this multiplied and reciprocal you will get here e raised to x upon in root of 1 minus e raised to 2x. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay, answer. Now the next problem. Y is equals to cot inverse of x cube. Differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equals to ddx of cot inverse of x cube. Now again the ddx of cot inverse of f of x is equals to minus f dash of x upon 1 plus f of x bracket square. Similar here, minus 1 upon 1 plus this x cube bracket square into ddx of x cube, which is the 3x, and it is simplification. Minus 1 into 3x square, that is a minus 3x square upon 1 plus x raised to 6, and this is the answer. Okay, now you can see this. Next, cot inverse of 4 raised to x. Let y is equals to cot inverse of 4 raised to x. ddx of, differentiate this with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to ddx of cot inverse of 4 raised to x. Okay, again the ddx of cot inverse of f of x is equals to minus f dash of x upon 1 plus f of x bracket square. Similarly here, minus sign 1 upon 1 plus f of x means what? 4 raised to x bracket square into ddx of 4 raised to x. Now what is the derivative of 4 raised to x? It is just like a raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a, means 4 raised to x into log of 4. And next you can have this minus 1 into 4 raised to x into log of 4 is a minus 4 raised to x into log of 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x and this is the required dy by dx. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to tan inverse of root x. Again differentiating this with respect to x. Dy by dx is equals to ddx of tan inverse of root x 1 upon 1 plus root x bracket square into ddx of root x. Means what? What is the formula? ddx of tan inverse of f of x is equals to 1 upon 1 plus f of x bracket square into ddx of f of x. And okay, therefore here is the ddx of root x 1 upon 1 plus root x bracket square. Next step, the derivative of root x. See this here, ddx of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x, simple formula, and hence root x square means what? X. 1 upon 1 plus x into 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, and this is the answer. Simple multiplication will be there, 1 into 1, 1, and 2 root x in bracket 1 plus x. 2 root x in bracket 1 plus x. Okay, and this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Now the next problem. Y is equals to sine inverse in root of 1 plus x square upon 2. Now again differentiate this with respect to x, then you will get dy by dx is equals to ddx of sine inverse of in root of 1 plus x square upon 2. Now what about the derivative of ddx of sine inverse of f of x is equals to 1 upon in under root of 1 minus f of x bracket square into ddx of f of x. Okay. Similarly here 1 upon in root of 1 minus this is the f of x and it's a square. It means that the root sign and the square and root sign will get cancelled and here you will get 1 plus x square upon 2. Okay. Into ddx of this f of x which is in root sign. Okay. And to the next step, that is the 1 upon in root of 1 minus 1 plus x square upon 2 into. Now here take this root of 1 plus x square upon 2 means what? Here you will get 1 upon root 2 मिळणार तुम्हाला 1 by root 2 into ddx of root of 1 plus x square. Now here we'll again simplify. It is like this. This 2 into 1, that is you will get 2. Again if you open the bracket, then sign of this 1 and x square will change. It will become minus 1 and the minus x square upon root 2 and it will go to the numerator, and in this way if we simplify this you will get root 2 upon in under root of 2 minus 1 minus x square into 1 upon this root 2 into ddx of root of 1 plus x square. Now we want to find out ddx of just like f of x. ddx of in root of f of x which is 1 upon 2 times root of f of x into ddx of f of x. Similarly here this is the 1 by root 2. If you find out the ddx of root of f of x is 1 upon 2 times root of f of x. Similarly here 1 upon 2 times root of this f of x. Okay. This and this is the same into derivative of this 1 plus x square. ddx of f of x means what? 1 plus x square. Okay. ddx of 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 is 0 and x square is 2. Now the simplification. See this here, the root 2 and root 2 this sign will get cancelled. Then you will get 1 upon 2 minus 1 means 1 minus x square, that is 1 upon in under root of 1 minus x square into 1 upon 2 in root of 1 plus x square. ddx of 1 0, x square is a 2x, and next simplification this 2 and 2 next will get cancelled and then you will get 1 into x, you will get here x in root of 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square and a minus b into a plus b, and then you will get a square minus b square means what? 1 square minus x square, it's a square means what? X raised to 4, and hence dy by dx is equals to x upon in under root of 1 minus x raised to 4. Okay, and hence this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay. Okay. Now the next question. Y is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square. Now differentiating with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equals to ddx of cos inverse in bracket 1 minus x square. That is minus 1 upon in under root of 1 minus x square bracket square into ddx of 1 minus x square. See this here, ddx of cos inverse of f of x means what? That's equals to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus f of x bracket square into ddx of f of x. या फॉर्म्युलेनुसार. Okay, what is your f of x? f of x is a 1 minus x square, it's a bracket square, and derivative of 1 minus x square, derivative of 1 is 0 and x square is a 2x. Okay. Next simplification, minus 1 and minus 2, you will get here 2x. If you open the bracket, then this plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Then minus 2x square, that will become plus, and plus x raised to 4, that will become minus. Okay. And to the next step, what is the next step? If you write here, this is the 2x upon in root of. If you take x square common from these two terms, and it is here x square, then in bracket you will get 2 minus x square. Okay. And to the next step, here you will get 2x. The square root of x square is x in root of 2 minus x square. This x will get cancelled, and hence you will get 2 upon in root of 2 minus x square. This is the dy by dx. Okay, and this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता. Okay. Now the next question. Sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. Y is equals to sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. dy by dx is equals to ddx of sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. Again, the ddx of sine inverse of f of x is equals to, okay, this is the 1, okay, 1 upon in under root of 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2, it's a bracket square. Similarly, f of x bracket square into ddx of f of x raised to 3 by 2 is a derivative. 3 by 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2. He power putting in 1 minus करणार. Now the normal simplification here, 2 x raised to 1 upon 2 means what? Sorry, 3 x raised to 1 upon 2 means what? 3 root x upon 2 in root of 1 minus x cube. Okay. This x raised to 3 by 2, it's a square means what? This 2 will get cancelled. You will get x cube there. Okay, and this is the answer, dy by dx. Okay. Now you can see this again. Now the next, cos cube of cos inverse of x cube. Now this is the cos cube, that is very important. Therefore y is equals to cos cube of cos inverse of x cube can be written as cos of cos inverse of x cube, and it's a bracket cube. इथे cube असल्यामुळे whole bracket cube. Now cos of cos inverse of x cube. Cos of cos inverse of x cube means what? Cos of cos inverse of x means what? X. Means what here? Cos of cos inverse of x cube means what? X cube. But there is a bracket raised to 3. 3 into 3, that is a 9. And hence you will get here. Hence here you will get y is equals to x raised to 3 bracket raised to 3. Means what? 3 into 3, that is a 9. Therefore y is equals to x raised to 9. Now differentiate this with respect to x, and hence dy by dx is equals to ddx of x raised to 9 means what? 9x raised to 8, and hence this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to sine inverse of root x raised to 4. Okay. Therefore again it can be written as, that is the y is equals to sine inverse of root x whole bracket raised to 4. Now again the one more formula, sine inverse of x is x, and that's why here root of x raised to 4. Now root of x raised to 4, see this here, root of x bracket raised to 4. Again it can be written as root of x means what? X raised to 1 upon 2 and bracket raised to 4. Now power to the power multiplication, that is 1 upon 2 into 4 means you will get x raised to 2, and hence y is equals to y is equals to x square. Now differentiate this with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to ddx of x square, and its a derivative is a 2x, and hence dy by dx is equals to 2x. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता. Okay. Now we'll start the question number 7. We have completed now question number 6. Question number 7. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Cot inverse of cot of e raised to x square. You can see this. Let y is equals to cot inverse of cot of e raised to x square. Now again cot inverse of cot of theta is theta. Similar here, cot inverse of cot of e raised to x square is a e raised to x square. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to ddx of e raised to x square. Now the derivative of ddx of e raised to f of x. इथे x नाही आहे तर फंक्शन आहे, which is the function x square. Therefore, ddx of e raised to f of x is equals to e raised to f of x into ddx of f of x. Similarly here, e raised to x square, here is a f of x, just here e raised to f of x into ddx of x raised to 2. Okay, here instead of 3 there is a 2. Okay, ddx of x square. What is the derivative of x square? Is a 2, and hence the answer dy by dx is equals to 2x into e raised to x square, and hence this is the answer. तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay, now the second, y is equals to cosec inverse of 1 upon cos of phi raised to x. What is the reciprocal of cos? Is a sec of sec. Therefore, cosec inverse of sec of phi raised to x. The reciprocal of cos is sec. Sec is cos. Therefore, we can write 1 upon cos of phi raised to x is a sec of phi raised to x. Now convert this sec in terms of cos. What is that? We use the formula here. Therefore, sec of theta is equals to cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly, sec of phi raised to x is a cosec pi by 2 minus pi raised to x. Okay. Now, again the one more formula. Cosec inverse of cosec pi by 2 minus theta is a pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly here, pi is equals to pi by 2 minus pi raised to x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to ddx of pi by 2 minus pi raised to x. Derivative of pi by 2, which is a constant, it's a derivative 0. And ddx of pi raised to x is a phi raised to x into log of phi. Means what? It's a ddx of a raised to x. What is formula? A raised to x into log of a. Similarly, a is phi. Okay. And hence dy by dx is equals to minus pi raised to x into log of phi. And hence this is the answer. Okay. Now तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to cos inverse of in root of 1 plus cos x upon 2. Now what is again formula for 1 plus cos x? 1 plus cos x means what? 2 cos square, whatever the angle, divided by 2. Similarly here, the angle is theta. Therefore, it is a 2 cos square x upon 2. Upon these 2 will get cancelled. And this root sign and square, that will also get cancelled. And overall, only there will be the cos of x by 2. Okay. Now next, cos inverse of cos theta means theta. Similarly here, cos inverse of cos of x by 2 is a x by 2. Now here you have y is equals to x by 2. Differentiate this with respect to x. Then you will get dy by dx is equals to ddx of x upon 2. Again 1 upon 2 is a constant into ddx of x. Derivative of x is 1. And 1 upon 2 into 1. And hence dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2. And hence the answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Now so this here. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to cos inverse of in root of 1 minus cos of x square upon 2. Now what is the formula? Again 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square, whatever the angle, divided by 2. Similarly here 1 minus cos of x square means what? 2 sin square x square upon 2. Again this 2 will get cancelled. Root and square, so that will get cancelled. You will get sin of x square upon 2. Again there is one more formula. Sin theta is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. And hence cos inverse of cos of pi by 2 minus x square upon 2. Cos inverse of cos of pi by 2 minus x by 2, that is equals to pi by 2 minus x square upon 2. Okay. Here we are using the result, which is that cos inverse of cos of theta, and that is equals to theta. Means what? Pi by 2 minus x square upon 2. Okay. Now differentiate this. Again this is equals to y. Therefore, differentiate this with respect to x. Dy by dx is equals to ddx of pi by 2 minus x square upon 2. What is the derivative of pi by 2? It's a constant. Its derivative 0. 1 upon 2 is a multiplicative constant. Hence 1 upon 2 into ddx of x square. Derivative of x square is a 2x. And hence 2 get cancelled, and you will get dy by dx is equals to minus x. And hence this is the answer. Okay. Now बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to tan inverse of 1 minus tan of x by 2 upon 1 plus tan of x by 2. Now see this here. This is important. Okay. Now this 1 can be written as tan of pi by 4. That is the tan of pi by 4 minus tan of x by 2. Again this 1 can be written as here 1. It is as it is. This 1 plus tan of x by 2 means what? 1 into tan of x by 2. Again this, the value of this is a 1. 1 into tan of x by 2 is as it is a tan of x by 2. म्हणून आपण लिहिताना काय लिहितोय की 1 plus इथे 1 into tan of x by 2, there is no problem. But what is the value of that 1? 1 is a tan of pi by 4. आपण ते adjustment साठी इथे करत असतो. Therefore, we have again the formula tan of a minus b means what? Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan of a into tan b. Similarly here, tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 means what? Tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon 1 plus this tan of pi by 4 into tan of x by 2. Okay. And this is the expansion of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. सर्वाधिक महत्वाचं काय तर इथे 1 च्या बाबतीत आपण काय घेतो tan of pi by 4 and 1 plus 1 into tan of x by 2 आणि इथे असणारा जो काही 1 असणार आहे it doesn't affect this expression. त्या 1 साठी आपण काय लिहित असतो की tan of pi by 4. Okay, this is the expansion of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 is a pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, and using the formula tan inverse of tan of theta is theta. Okay, now again differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to dx of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Derivative of pi by 4, which is a constant, its a derivative 0. X by 2, take 1 by 2 as a multiplicative constant and the derivative of x is 1. And therefore minus 1 by 2 into 1, you will get minus 1 upon 2. Okay. पुन्हा बघू शकता तुम्ही ते सर्वाधिक महत्वाचं काय तर या 1 साठी tan of pi by 4 आणि इथला multiplicative 1 साठी tan of pi by 4. हे सर्वाधिक महत्वाचं आहे. And that is the expansion of tan of a minus b. Using the result, tan inverse of tan theta is theta. And then differentiate, you will get the answer. Now the next problem. Cosec y is equals to cosec inverse of 1 upon 3 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos of 2x. Okay. आता इथे बघा फॉर्म्युला होता आपल्याला. That is the cos of 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. म्हणजे इथला अँगल किती जर 1 असेल तर इथे 3. Suppose here is angle is 2. म्हणजे याचे 3 times means what? If the angle is 1 times, then here cos of 3x. If the angle is 2 times, then 2 into 3, then you will get the value of 4 times cos cube 2x minus 3 times cos of 2 is a cos of 6x. Again, the reciprocal of cos is a sec. Therefore, cosec inverse of sec of 6x. Now again, what is the sec theta? Cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly, sec of 6x means what? Cosec pi by 2 minus 6x. Now cosec inverse of cos, and that is a theta, which is pi by 2 minus 6x. Now again here, y is equals to pi by 2 minus 6x. Differentiate this with respect to x, ddx of pi by 2 minus 6x. Pi by 2 is a constant, it's a derivative 0. 6 is multiplicative constant, 6 into ddx of x. Derivative of x is 1, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus 6. Okay. Now the next question. Y is equals to tan inverse of 1 plus cos of x by 3 upon sin of x by 3. Now one more formula. What is the 1 plus cos theta? Is a 2 cos square, whatever the angle, divided by 2. Similarly here, 2 cos square, the angle is x by 3 divided by 2. Now see this here, x by 3, if we divide it by 2, then you will get x upon 6. Means what? This is a 2 upon 1. X by 3, and it will be the multiplier and reciprocal. Then here you will get x upon 6. Okay. And hence it is a x by 6. Now what about the sin of x by 2? Sin of x by 2, again sin of 2 times theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Means what? Whatever the angle divided by 2. आता इथे angle किती था x by 3 है. Divided by 2, x by 3 divided by 2 means what? You are getting the x by 6. Similarly here, sin of x by 2 means what? 2 sin of x by 6 into cos of x by 6 by using this formula. Okay. Now the next. Here is a 2 cos square x by 6 upon 2 sin of x by 6 into cos of x by 6. 2 will get cancelled. 1 cos will get cancelled. you will get cos of x by 2 upon sin of x by 2. Cos upon sin, you will get cot. Again, we will convert this cot in terms of tan. That is the cot theta is equals to tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Tan inverse of tan of pi by 2 minus x by 6. Then you will get pi by 2 minus x by 6. And hence here, y is equals to pi by 2 minus x by 6. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of pi by 2 is a constant, it's a derivative 0. 1 by 6 is a multiplicative constant, derivative of x is 1. And hence, we have the answer dy by dx is equals to minus 1 by 6. ओके, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. ही सर्वच फॉर्म्युलेज तुम्हाला आली पाहिजे. Now the next question. Y is equals to cot inverse of sin of 3x upon 1 plus cos of 3x. Again here we use the formula sin of 2 times theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Means what? Whatever the angle divided by 2. Now here the angle is 3x divided by 2 means what? It is a 3x upon 2. And hence sin of 3x is equals to 2 sin of 3x upon 2 into cos of 3x upon 2. Next, 1 plus cos of theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Means what? Whatever the angle divided by 2. That is, you will get 2 cos square the angle 3x upon 2. Now cos of 3x upon 2, cos of 3x upon 2, 2 will get cancelled. You will get sin of 3x upon 2 upon cos of 3x upon 2. Sin of 3x upon 2 upon cos of 3x upon 2, that will become tan of 3x upon 2. Okay. पहिल्यांदा हा 2 कॅन्सल होणार. हा न्यूमरेटरचा एक कॉस जाणार, डिनोमिनेटरचा एक कॉस जाणार. न्यूमरेटरला फक्त साइन ऑफ 3x upon 2, डिनोमिनेटरला cos of 3x upon 2, that will become tan of 3x upon 2. Again, cot inverse of tan of 3x upon 2. Again, convert this tan in terms of the cot. That is the cot of pi by 2 minus theta is equals to tan theta, or tan theta is equals to cot of pi by 2 minus theta. And hence, cot inverse of cot of pi by 2 minus 3x upon 2, you will get y is equals to pi by 2 minus 3x upon 2. And hence, differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to ddx of derivative of pi by 2 is a 0 minus 3 by 2 into derivative of x is a 1. Okay. And hence, derivative of as x is 1, pi by 2 is 0. And hence, it is a minus 3 by 2 into 1. And hence, dy by dx is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now the next problem, y is equals to tan inverse of cos of 7x upon 1 plus sin of 7x. Again, this cos we will convert into the sin. Okay, that is the cos theta is equals to sin of pi by 2 minus theta. 1 plus sin of 7x. Again, convert this sin in terms of cos. Okay, it means that this cos to the sin and sin to the cos. Next, again, sin of 2 times theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Similarly here, this is the 2 times theta. Then we will convert in 2 sin theta into cos theta. Means what? Whatever the angle divided by 2. That is the 2 into sin of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Means what? Pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Into cos of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. म्हणजे या अँगलचा काय करणार तर हाफ करणार. आणि 2 into sin of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Into cos of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Next, 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus 7x. 1 plus cos of theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Similarly, 2 cos square, whatever the angle divided by 2. Means what? Pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Okay. आता इथे काय काय होणार बघा. This 1 cos and this denominator cos will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. You will get sin of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2 upon cos of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Sin upon cos, you will get tan. Hence, tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. You will get pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Now, again, the tan inverse of tan theta is theta. By using this result, you are getting pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Okay, and this is the y. Differentiate this with respect to x. You will get dy by dx is equals to ddx of pi by 4 minus 7x upon 2. Pi by 4 is a constant. Derivative of x is 1. 7 by 2 is a multiplicative constant. Hence, 7 by 2 into 1. And hence, the answer is minus 7 by 2. Okay. Now, तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Okay, now the next problem. Y is equals to tan inverse of in root of 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Again, using the formula 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. Tan inverse of, in bracket, in root of 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 get cancelled, cos square theta by 2, sin square theta by 2, you will get cot square theta by 2, or it's a x by 2. Okay, therefore here cot square x by 2 means what? Cot of x by 2. Okay, replace this x by theta or theta by x. Now again here tan inverse of cot of x by 2. Convert this cot in terms of tan. Therefore here you will get tan inverse of tan of pi by 2 minus x by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta, means what? Pi by 2 minus x by 2. Differentiate again with respect to x. Derivative of pi by 2 is 0. Derivative of x by 2, derivative of x is 1. That is 1 upon 2 into 1. Overall you will get 1 upon 2, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, it is here. Now the next problem, y is equals to tan inverse of cosec x plus cot x. Now cosec means what? 1 upon sine. Cot means what? Cos upon sine. Now simplify this. 1 plus cos x upon sin x. Denominator दोघांचा कसा आहे? Same. We can add it directly. But what is the 1 plus cos x? 1 plus cos x means what? 2 cos square theta by 2. That is whatever the angle divided by 2. Here 2 cos square x by 2. Again the sin x means what? Sin x means what? 2 sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2. By using this formula, sin of 2 times theta, 2 sin of theta into cos theta. म्हणजे ह्या अँगलला डिवायडेड बाय 2. म्हणजे इथे x आहे तर x by 2. ओके, cos of x by 2. अगेन एक cos काय होणार ते कट होणार, 2 कट होणार. Cos of x by 2 upon sin of x by 2. You will get cot of x by 2. Convert this cot in terms of tan. Cot of theta is equals to tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Tan inverse of tan of pi by 2 minus x by 2. Then you will get pi by 2 minus x by 2, and hence this is the y. Again, differentiate this with respect to x. Dx of pi by 2 minus x by 2. Derivative of pi by 2 is 0. X by 2, derivative of x is 1. 1 into 1 upon 2. Overall you will get 1 upon 2. And hence dy by dx is equals to minus 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Easy problems आहेत, फक्त तुमची ट्रिग्नोमेट्री त्या ठिकाणी तिथे स्ट्रॉंग पाहिजे. Okay. Now the next 12th, y is equals to cot inverse of in root of 1 plus sin of 4x upon 3 plus in root of 1 minus sin of 4x upon 3. This whole divided by in root of 1 plus sin of 4x upon 3 minus in root of 1 minus sin of 4x upon 3. Now see this first 1 plus sin of 4x upon 3. This sin is converted into the cos by using the formula sin theta is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly here, the 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus, here is the 4x upon 3. Okay, and we have converted here in terms of sin is converted in terms of the cos. Similarly here, the 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus 3x upon 4x upon 3. Okay, again one more result, 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Whatever the angle divided by 2. म्हणजे pi by 2 minus 4x upon 3, this divided by 2. If you divide it by 2, then you will get pi by 4 minus 4x upon 3 upon 2 means what? You will get 2x upon 3. Okay, therefore 1 plus sin of 4x upon 3 is what? 2 cos square pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. And if you take its root sign, then you will get here root, a square and root sign will get cancelled. याच्यावरती root sign जर घेतलं तर हा root 2 होणार आणि याचा square and root will get cancelled, and you are getting in root of 1 plus sin of 4x upon 3 is a root 2 cos of 4 by pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. This is the value. What about the next? दोन values काढायचे आहेत आपल्याला. One is a 1 plus sin of 4x upon 3 and another is a 1 minus sin of 4x upon 3. Now see this, 1 minus sin of 4x upon 3. We'll convert in terms of the cos. Means what? Sin theta is equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. That is 1 minus cos of pi by 2 minus 4x upon 3. Again, one more result. 1 minus cos theta is a 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus sin of 4x upon 3 is a 2 sin square. Whatever the angle divided by 2. That is a pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. This angle divided by 2, you will get pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. Take the square root on both sides. In root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3, root 2 and square and root sign will get cancelled. You will get sine of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. Okay. And this is the second value. म्हणजे दोन values आपल्याला मिळाले. This is the first one and this is the second one. Now, once there is addition and on denominator there is a subtraction. Substitute the value. 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 is a root 2. Okay, root 2 cos of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. And what about the next? Root 2 sine of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. इथे plus sign है, इथे फक्त minus. Take root 2 as a common. Then root 2 will get cancelled. You will get cos of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3 plus sine of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3 upon cos of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3 minus sine of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. आता पुढचे important आहे. Divide n and dy. Numerator denominatorला या cos of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3 ने डिवाइड करणार. न्यूमरेटरला आणि डिनोमिनेटरला. याला जर इंडिव्हिज्युअली डिवाइड केलं तर इथे आपल्याला 1 मिळेल. Sin of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3 upon cos of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. That will become tan of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. इथे पण cos of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3 ने डिवाइड केलं, you will get here 1. And if we divide here sin of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3 by cos of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3, you will get tan. Now this 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3, 1 minus tan of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. Now this 1 means what? Tan of pi by 4. Again, 1 into tan of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. That's the 1 minus tan of pi by 4 into tan of pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. Now this is the expansion of tan of a plus b. What's the tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan of a into tan b. But what is a here? A is a pi by 4. What about the b? Pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. Therefore, tan of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus 2x upon 3. Okay. Now this pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 45 plus 45, you will get 90. Means what? Tan of pi by 2 minus 2x upon 3. And hence, we will convert tan of pi by 2 minus theta. म्हणजे काय? तर cot theta. And hence, you will get here cot of 2x upon 3. म्हणजे काय? ही जी सगळी व्हॅल्यू होती, त्याचा आन्सर काय मिळाला आपल्याला? Cot of 2x upon 3. Okay. But what is our problem? Our problem is that y is equals to cot inverse of in root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 plus in root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3 upon in root of 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 minus in root of 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3. The whole quantity is nothing but the 2x upon 3. And here cot inverse of cot of 2x upon 3, and that is nothing but the 2x upon 3. That is the cot inverse of cot theta is the theta. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to ddx of 2x upon 3. 2 by 3 is a constant, then find the derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. And hence dy by dx is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता. ही व्हॅल्यू सगळ्यात जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. इन रूट ऑफ 1 plus sine of 4x upon 3 and 1 minus sine of 4x upon 3. Okay, you can see this. Now the question number 8. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Y is equals to sine inverse of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x upon root of 41. Okay, या root of 41 ने 4 sin x ला डिवाइड करणार. sin x trigonometry 4 upon root of 41 plus 5 cos x ला देखील root of 41 ने डिवाइड करणार. cos x and 5 upon root of 41. आता इथे हे एक्सपान्शन आपल्याला साइनचं मिळण्यासाठी we here take the 4 upon root of 41 bracket square plus 5 upon root of 41. If we take their square and add it, then you are getting the 1. Means what? There is a right angle triangle तयार होतो तिथे, and hence we'll write here. See this here. This is the right angle triangle. That is the cos of alpha is equals to 4 upon 41. Means what? If we write here A, B, C. Cos alpha means what? Adjacent side upon this is the hypotenuse and this is the front side. Okay, and this angle is a alpha. Okay, cos alpha is equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Sin alpha is equals to 5 upon root of 41. Okay, now here right here 4 upon root of 41 means what? Cos alpha. 5 upon root of 41 means what? Sin alpha, and hence you will get y is equals to sin inverse of Sine inverse of sine of x into cos alpha plus sine x into sine of alpha. Okay, this sine of alpha. Now this is the expansion of sine of a plus b. Means what? Sine of x plus alpha. Sine inverse of sine of x plus alpha means what? X plus alpha. Sine inverse of sine theta is theta. And hence differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1, alpha is 0. It's a constant. And hence dy by dx is equals to 1. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. हे स्प्लिट अप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. 4 अपॉन रूट ऑफ 41 and 5 अपॉन रूट ऑफ 41. बाहेर साइन आहे बघा. मग आत पण साइन आला पाहिजे. इथे साइन झालेला आहे. मग इथे कॉस घ्यायला पाहिजे. इथे कॉस आलेला आहे म्हणजे इथे साइन आला पाहिजे. मग प्लस साइन आहे. दॅट इज एक्सपेन्शन ऑफ साइन ऑफ ए प्लस बी. ओके, याच टाइपच्या स्टेप्स आहेत पुढच्या एक्झाम्पल साठी देखील. फॉर द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल सिमिलर टाइप्स इज देअर. y is equals to cos inverse of root 3 cos x minus sin x upon 2. Again separate this cos x into root 3 upon 2 minus sin x into 1 upon 2. Now what is the, आता इथे बघा cos inverse आहे म्हणजे आत पण cosच एक्सपान्शन आलं पाहिजे. मग cosचं एक्सपान्शन कसं असतं? cos of a plus or minus b जरी असेल तर cos a cos b plus or minus sin a sin b म्हणजे हे cos आला पाहिजे. दिस इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ द cos आणि ही कोणाची पाहिजे? sin पाहिजे. Now what is the root 3 upon 2 कोणाची व्हॅल्यू असते? तर cos of pi by 6. 1 upon 2 कुठल्या sin ची व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे आपल्याला ती. Therefore 1 upon 2 is nothing but the sin of pi by 6. हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. root 3 by 2 हे cosच्या कुठल्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू? इट्स अ pi by 6. 1 upon 2 हे साइनच्या कुठल्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू? sin of pi by 6. Therefore we substitute here root 3 by 2 is a cos of pi by 6. 1 upon 2 is a sin of pi by 6. Now this is the expansion of cos of a plus b. Cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. And that is the cos of x plus pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos of x plus pi by 6 means what? Cos inverse of cos theta is theta. Means what? Here you are getting y is equals to x plus pi by 6. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1, pi by 6 is 0. And hence dy by dx that's equals to 1. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. इथे डायरेक्ट आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू दिलेला आहे. बाहेर कॉस आहे, आत पण कॉसच आला पाहिजे. मग कॉसचे एक्सपान्शनचा आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहिती पाहिजे. कॉस ए कॉस बी म्हणजे इथे कॉस असेल. म्हणजे कॉसच्या कुठल्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू रूट 3 बाय 2 तर कॉस ऑफ पाय बाय 6. साइनच्या कुठल्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू पाय बाय 1 अपॉन 2 दॅट इज साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 6. अँड हेन्स मग बाकी पुढचं इझी आहे ते. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. y is equals to sin inverse of cos of root x plus sin of root x upon root 2. ओके, आता बघा हा रूट 2 सेपरेट केला आपण. ओके, 1 अपॉन रूट 2 cos of root x प्लस याला देखील रूट 2 ने डिवाइड करणार 1 अपॉन रूट 2 sin of root x. व्हॉट अबाउट दी, आता इथे साइन बाहेर आहे म्हणजे आत पण साइनचंच एक्सपान्शन असलं पाहिजे. मग इथे कॉस ऑलरेडी झालेला आहे. मग इथे काय पाहिजे तर साइन पाहिजे. दॅट इज अ साइन ऑफ ए प्लस बी मीन्स वॉट? साइन ए कॉस बी प्लस कॉस ए साइन बी या प्रकारे. म्हणजे 1 बाय रूट 2 मीन्स वॉट? साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 4 अँड कॉस ऑफ पाय बाय 4 इज 1 बाय रूट 2. देअरफॉर दिस 1 बाय रूट 2 साठी आपण साइन ऑफ पाय बाय 4 and for this 1 by root 2 we are taking the cos of pi by 4 and this is the expansion of sin of a plus b means what? Sin of pi by 4 plus root x and hence sin inverse of sin theta is theta and that's why y is equals to pi by 4 plus root x. Differentiate this with respect to x, you will get ddx of pi by 4 plus ddx of root x. Pi by 4 constant है, that's a derivative 0. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 times root x by using this formula. Okay, and then dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, and this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Okay, now the next problem. Y is equals to cos inverse of 3 cos of 3x minus 4 sin of 3x upon 5. आता हे सेपरेट करणार, स्प्लिट अप करणार. cos of 3x upon 3 by 5 minus sin of 3x into 4 by 5. आता 3 by 5 आता बाहेर cos आलेला आहे म्हणजे हे cosच असलं पाहिजे आणि हे sin असलं पाहिजे. Then I will draw here the right angle triangle. Okay, see this here. Okay, this is the triangle ABC. हे एक्सपान्शन कसलं असलं पाहिजे तर कॉस असलं पाहिजे. ओके, नाउ इफ आय टेक दिस अँगल एज अल्फा, जर हे कॉस असला पाहिजे then this must be 3 and this is the 5 and this must be 4. That is the cos of alpha is a 3 by 5, sin of alpha is a 4 by 5, and hence I am writing here cos of alpha. Okay, cos alpha is equals to 3 by 5 and sin alpha is equals to 4 by 5, and hence instead of this x I am writing here alpha. Okay, बघा इथे 3 by 5 साठी आपण इथे किती घेतलाय cos x and 4 by 5 साठी सॉरी 3 by 5 cos alpha, 4 by 5 it's a sin alpha. Now this is the expansion of cos of a plus b. Okay, means what? Cos of 3x plus alpha. Okay, cos inverse of cos of 3x plus alpha is a 3x plus alpha. By using the result cos inverse of cos theta is theta. Again, differentiating this with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to ddx of 3x plus alpha. Derivative of x is 1, 3 into 1 is a 3. Derivative of alpha, here is alpha. Okay. Derivative of alpha, and that is a 0, which is a constant. And hence dy by dx is equals to 3. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय, आपण इथे स्प्लिट अप केलं 3 by 5, बाहेर कॉस आहे म्हणजे आत कॉस असला पाहिजे, इथे कॉस आहे म्हणून इथे कॉस, म्हणून याला कॉस कन्सिडर करणार. इथे साइन आहे म्हणजे इथे पण साइन असला पाहिजे, म्हणजे 4 by 5 हा साइन असला पाहिजे. Therefore we are taking the opposite side as a 4. Okay. Now the next, y is equals to cos inverse of 3 cos of e raised to x plus 2 sin of e raised to x upon root of 13. पुन्हा इथे सेपरेट करणार, स्प्लिट अप करणार, cos of e raised to 3x, cos of e raised to x into 3 upon root of 13 plus sin of e raised to x 2 upon root of 13. पुन्हा इथे बघा cos आहे म्हणजे हा पण cos असला पाहिजे आता हा, आणि हे काय असलं पाहिजे तर sin असलं पाहिजे. Again I will draw the right angle triangle. See this here. Okay, the 90 and this is the alpha. इथे cos असला पाहिजे म्हणजे काय, adjacent side ही 3 असली पाहिजे. Hypotenuse is a root of 13, opposite side is a 2. Okay, therefore 3 upon 13 is a cos alpha, 2 upon 13 that is a sin alpha, and hence cos inverse of cos of e raised to x into cos alpha plus sin of e raised to x into sin alpha. Now this is the expansion of cos of e raised to x minus alpha. Cos inverse of cos of e raised to x minus alpha, it's the expansion of cos of a minus b, that is a cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, and hence cos inverse of cos of e raised to x minus alpha is y is equals to e raised to x minus alpha. Okay, and by using the result cos inverse of cos theta is theta. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Dy by dx is equals to ddx of e raised to x. Derivative of alpha is a 0. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Hence dy by dx is equals to e raised to x. Therefore dy by dx is equals to e raised to x. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Similar problems आहेत ते. Okay. Now the next problem. Y is equals to cosec inverse of 10 upon 6 into sin of 2 raised to x minus 8 cos of 2 raised to x. It is cosec inverse of x. Now see this here. We can write here that is a cosec inverse of 1 upon x is nothing but sin inverse of x. Okay. म्हणून आपण हे लिहिताना कसं लिहितात, sin inverse of 6 sin of 2 raised to x minus 8 cos of 2 raised to x upon 10. पुन्हा split up करणार, sin of 2 raised to x into 6 upon 10 minus cos of 2 raised to x here. Okay, cos of 2 raised to x into 8 upon 10. Okay, आता पुन्हा इथे साइन बाहेर आहे, मग आत पण साइन असला पाहिजे, इथे ऑलरेडी साइन झाला पाहिजे, तर हा काय असला पाहिजे, दिस मस्ट बी द cos alpha and this must be the sin of alpha. Means again I will draw here the right angle triangle. Okay, this is the alpha ABC. Okay, ABC. Sin alpha means what, 8 upon 10. This is the 8 and 10, and this must be the 6. Okay, And in this way, we have written here y is equals to sine inverse of sine of 2 raised to x into cos alpha minus cos of 2 raised to x into sine alpha. Again, this is the expansion of sine of a minus b expansion. Okay? Therefore, sine inverse of sine of 2 raised to x minus alpha. That is nothing but y is equals to 2 raised to x minus alpha. Hence, you have y is equals to 2 raised to x minus alpha. Differentiate this with respect to x. That is the ddx of 2 raised to x minus alpha. And the derivative of alpha is 0, which is a constant. What about the derivative of 2 raised to x? That is the 2 raised to x into log of 2. And hence, this is the dy by dx. Okay, you can see this again here. Okay. And in this way, we have completed up to the question number 8. That is question number 6, 7, 8 I had completed here. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. तुम्ही आय बटनवर जर क्लिक केला तर तुम्हाला या चॅप्टरचे ते व्हिडिओ या चॅप्टरच्या या एक्सरसाइजचे व्हिडिओज मिळतील तुम्हाला. ओके. नाउ विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. टिल देन, goodbye.